Regardless of whether you are a carpenter or a professional, most of the time, you will use power tools. The number one priority when working with power tools is safety. Some of the most dangerous tools are saws. To prevent accidents, there is an amazing new product called the Grr-Ripper 3D Pushblock. The most dangerous power tools are table and band saws. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, during 2007 and 2008, there were almost 80,000 reported injuries from table and bench saws. That is a lot. The industry and manufacturers are doing everything to make working with power tools safer. This 3D Pushblock is a fitting example of how smart technology can help to improve a working environment. The aim of the Grr-Ripper is to eliminate the use of bare hands in feeding the material over the saw. This means that your hands are 100% protected while, at the same time, you have a steady grip on the workpiece, even with jointers, router tables, and band saws. The Grr-Ripper. Both have the same purpose. To keep us safe. The Grr-Ripper lock was equipped with a handle on the top, gripping material at the bottom and smart hooks at the back. The hooks would grab the back of the workpiece and keep it steady throughout the sawing process without letting your hands anywhere near the saw. Some reviewers have described the Grr-Ripper as a very fancy push stick, but it's much more. Before the push block, various items were used to control the workpieces. The push paddle safer than using your hands, but not safe enough as your hand is still too close to the blade. Push sticks, you use them to push the workpiece from the rear, but it often flips up the front due to kickback. Push shoe better than the push stick, but there is a risk from kickback with this one. Push block was developed to prevent your hands from getting near the blade and to help you to control your workpiece better. It can safely control the workpiece horizontally and vertically. How does it work? The first Grr-Ripper push block, the GR100, was a great advancement from the Grr lock. It comes with a choice of other smart accessories. The stabilizing plate gives the carpenter 250% more surface stabilization area. The spacer provides 54% more grip area for the workpiece. The plate to the outside of the Grr-Ripper helps you to balance as you are running the workpiece over the saw. The spacer on the underside allows you to move it left and right, depending on where you need more support. It also allows the blade to pass through a channel without touching the push block. It's basically a 3-footed push pad. In addition to the gripping surface on the bottom, you can attach a couple of small add-on hooks at the back of the Grr-Ripper. This will help you to push the workpiece through if there is more resistance from the blade. By using only these 3 features, you can push the workpiece along with your hand passing over the blade in a safe manner. The extra grip and balanced pushing make the cut easier and smoother. With longer pieces of material, you can even use 2 Grr-Rippers for better grip. The gripping surface underneath the Grr-Ripper: ebony, pine, cherry, poplar, plastics, maple, and aluminum. Tread grooves like you have on your ice walking boots provide increased traction on the workpiece, even with sawdust present. The Grr-Ripper is made from high-impact polystyrene with non-slip surfaces on the 3 legs. It's light and easy to use. Additionally, there is not much maintenance required to keep the Grr-Ripper in working order. Experienced users recommend you clean the gripping surfaces at least once a day. Depending on the level of use, you might need to clean it more often. Manufacturer's instructions suggest using denatured alcohol to wipe the gripping surfaces down. With regular cleaning, the surfaces will be in